Welcome back. Let us continue. First question. If 7 is to x is equal to 17.5 is to 22.5, then find the value of x. So we can write 7 by x is equal to 17.5 by 22.5. We can multiply this by 10 on both sides. This is equal to 175 by 225. Okay. 7 by x is equal to, we can divide this by 25. So this will be 7 times 25 and this will be 9 times 25. This is equal to 7 by 9. Therefore, x is equal to 9. The answer is A. Next question. If m is 10 is equal to 3 is to 2, then find the ratio of 4m plus 5n is to 4m minus 5 by n. Okay. m by n is equal to 3 by 2. So, we have to find out 4m plus 5n divided by 4m minus 5n. So, we shall divide by n on top and bottom. So, this will be 4 into m by n plus 5 divided by 4 into m by n minus 5. Okay. We shall substitute 3 by 2 in place of m by n. 4 into 3 by 2 plus 5 divided by 4 into 3 by 2 minus 5. So, this will be equal to 2. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. And in the denominator it will be 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. So, this is 11 is to 1. So, the answer is D. Next question. If 2x plus 3y is to 3x plus 5y is equal to 18 is to 29, what is the value of x is to y? So, they are asking the value of x is to y. Let us write the given input. 2x plus 3y divided by 3x plus 5y is equal to 18 is to 29. That is 18 by 29. So, we shall divide the top and bottom by y. So, this will be 2x by y plus 3 divided by 3x by y plus 5 is equal to 18 by 29. We shall multiply on both sides. 2 into 29 into x by y plus 3 into 29 is equal to 3 into 18 into x by y minus 5 into 18. Okay, we shall calculate this and then rearrange it. Okay, what is 2 into 29? This will be 2 9s are 18, 1, 2 2s are 4, 5. Okay, next 3 into 29, 3 9s are 27, 2, 3 2s are 6, 7, 8. Okay, 3 into 18 is equal to 3 8s are 24, 3 1 is 3, 5. Similarly, 5 into 18, 5 8s are 44, 1 5 is 5, 9. Okay, we shall substitute 58 x by y plus 3 into 29, 87 is equal to 54 x by y minus 90. Sorry, this is plus here. I have put as minus. Okay, so this will be 4x by y is equal to 3. This implies x by y is equal to 3 by 4. The ratio is 3 is to 4. Answer is C. Next question. Divide the number 455 in the ratio 4 is to 3. So, let the numbers be 4x and 3x. So, we have to divide this number. So, 455 can be divided into 4x divided by 4x plus 3x and 455 into 3x divided by 4x plus 3x. Okay, this will be 455 into 4 by 7 comma 455 into 3 by 7. So, this should be divisible by 7. So, this will be 6 7s are 42, 3 is the remainder 35, 5. Similarly, here 65. So, 65 into 4 is 4 5s are 20, 2, 6 4s are 24, 26, comma 6 3, 5 3s are 15, 1, 6 3s are 18, 19. So, the numbers are 260, 195. 260, 195, option C. Next question. The cost of an article depends on 3 items: material, labor, and other expenses. The cost of these items is in the ratio 3 is to 4 is to 1 respectively. If the cost of the material is 22.5, find the cost of the article. So, they have given the cost of the material, that is for the ratio 3x. So, let the ratio of material be 3x and the next one is labor. Labor is equal to 4x and other expenses. This is equal to x. They are saying the cost of the material is 22.5. That is 3x is equal to 22.5. So we can divide this. X is equal to 7. 1 is the remainder, so 7.5. They are asking the cost of the article. Cost of article is 3x plus 4x plus x. That is, the article depends on 3 items: material, labor and other expenses. So this will be sum of all 3, that is 8x, which is equal to 8 into 7.5. 5 8s are 44, 7 8s are 56, plus 4 60. Okay, so the answer is 60 rupees. Okay, we shall continue in the next lecture. Thank you.